Okay, let's get started. Take the tripod speaker stand and loosen the knob that secures the leg assembly. Create a wide base to ensure a stable foundation for the speaker. Also tighten the upper knob firmly, but don't over-tighten. Next, extract the aluminum extension tube from the shaft until it snaps into place. You should find the power cable for the speaker in the side pocket of the bag. Set it aside for the moment. Remove the speaker from the bag and lay it gently on its side. Grasp the stand and insert it into the bottom of the speaker. You'll notice that the aluminum extension tube provides for a perfect fit. Take the stand and side speaker handle and carefully raise it to its feet. Ask for help if you're uncomfortable doing this by yourself. Here's a sampling of the items you'll find in your system: AC power cables, microphone or XLR type cables, the mixer kit, and a microphone, mic clip, and mic stand. Let's unpack the mixer. First out is the output adapter cable. This connects the output of the mixer to the first speaker when extended by a length of XLR cable. Next is the 1/8 inch to RCA cable set for connecting a music source, such as an iPod or MP3 player, to the mixer. Next is the mixer's power supply. And lastly, the mixer itself. Plug the power supply into a wall outlet or other 120 volt power source, and the other into the rear of the mixer as shown. First, we'll connect the mixer's output. Plug the output adapter cable into main out left on the mixer. This adapter, when extended with the required length of XLR cable, will be plugged into the first speaker in your system. Next, we'll connect the mixer inputs, which are typically a microphone or two and a music source. Plug the male end of the XLR mic cable into mic 1 on the mixer as shown. Make sure the buttons below it are not depressed. Next is the music source. Plug the dual plugs, known as RCA or phono plugs, into the tape-in jacks on the mixer as shown. The other end will plug into the music source. When setting up the mixer's controls, make sure both buttons below the mic 1 input jack are in the up position and not depressed. The gain knob should be set at or about the 12 o'clock position, and the level knob should be set at 12 o'clock or unity position. The blue EQ or equalization controls can be set initially in the center position also, and can be used later to tailor the individual microphone's tone if desired. The master level control or main mix control may also be set at the unity position to start, and fine adjustments can be made later as required. To ensure that the music source makes it through the console, be sure to depress the to main button in the tape-in section. Music level can be set as desired, but make sure the music source is in fact playing and is itself at full volume. The rear of the Mackie speaker contains the following connections and controls: a standard IEC power connection, the power switch with indicator lamp, the master level control, which can be set at 12 o'clock initially and adjusted as required. All buttons on the rear panel should be depressed or in the in position. In order to use a second or extension speaker, there is one simple connection between the speakers. Plug the male end of an XLR cable into the input of the extension speaker, and the female end into the through jack on the rear of the primary speaker. Make sure both speakers are plugged into electrical power and energized. Thanks for learning the Mackie Package system. Should you have any questions or require additional information, please contact RCI Systems.